Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll be removing the glove box on Land Rover Discovery to you guys. If you need to remove it for something, especially to access the computers and remove replace one, right there guys, we'll show you how to do that. 7mm socket we're going to need now, and on the bottom right there we have you can see 4 bolts, screws that we need to remove. And let's see how long those things are. Okay, one is almost out. Pretty long actually bolts for that glove box. We will also show you how to remove it from the system that prevents it from going down too fast as well. We have many videos on that rover guys. If you need anything, let us know. If we still have it, we'll make videos. We have about 3 or 4 of those right now. And we're building our website as well. Check it out. You can find links for products used. If you need any parts or something like that, we share the links that we used in the past there. Okay. All we have left is one more. There. Okay, now we need to open it, and those metal things here, you need to grab them, and there is 2 of them, and pull them all the way up on both sides simultaneously at the same time. Okay, and the glove box guys is out of there, as you can see. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.